Hi guys, it is Kate with Bosma Design. I'm at the ESM Culinary Center with Chef Tug.
Hello, Kate. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Of course.
So today,
Yes.
and I love that every time I'm here, it's something new and fresh.
We try.
You
try.
do good. So it's the boring part of the kitchen. Let's be honest.
Who cares about gas hoses?
No one.
Until
Boom, it's an explosion.
That'd be
so
bad.
that would be awful.
Yes.
As a consultant, it's really important that we take care of these little details for you. And with the help of Chef Tug and all the ESM reps, this is Dormont. So made in the USA.
Yep.
This hose, NSF approved, cleanable.
You always know Dormont because it's blue.
You know Dormont because it is blue.
You know the other fun fact about that?
What?
Every single hose that comes out of the Dormont factory is tested. Every single
Everyone.
hose. There's not one where they're just pulling like 1 out of 10 or 1 out of 100. Every single hose gets tested.
That matters.
It
that
absolutely
matters because this is life safety.
100%.
Yeah, I love that. I love that about them. So they have a lot of different options. So when you're installing a kitchen at the wall, your gas is coming in. Here's where I'm gonna put my quick disconnect. And we have a couple different options. Their new one is the one-handed so that you're not doing it with 2 hands, but the problem is
It's not attached to anything right now.
it's not attached to anything, but also every time I've done this, the sink has gone flying. It does, it just goes flying.
It's got a little,
It does,
it's not a spring, but it's got kind of a spring thing to
It
it.
does,
Yep,
so
yep.
they do have the one-handed, which is perfect. Now they also do have
We've got multiple types, right?
Multiple
so we
types.
have where we have the gas valve here, so we can turn that off and it will not let you pop it off, whereas that one does not have that gas valve there. This one, when that gas valve is engaged, it will not let you take off that gas hose because we don't want gas just
We don't
going
want
everywhere,
gas.
right?
And one of the nice things is that you can't see it, but it's inside on this other end.
This side. You wanna
There's
see
a
that?
thermocoupler in there. And what that is, if that fails, it shuts the whole thing off.
Down. Yep.
So there's a lot of fail-safes that come into place with these to keep your kitchen safe. Once these are installed, this allows you, especially with the swivels, so you can pull your equipment in and out.
Yep, and it's great for, because when you think about that hose, if you do not have that swivel and you go to push that unit back against the wall,
Yes.
it wants to push back because that doesn't have that swivel. Having that swivel will allow it to want to push back against the wall, taking up less space under the hood.
Yes, which is good. Space under the hood matters. Now, as long as we're talking about the big, heavy equipment under the hoods, I want to touch on one of my favorite pieces. It's going to be the safety set.
Hey, look at that.
I love this. We just happen to have it right here for y'all's enjoyment.
TV magic.
TV magic. So what you're going to do is the Ansel system, all the fire protection is set up based on where the equipment is. But castered equipment needs to be moved out. It needs to be serviced. It needs to be cleaned.
Fingers crossed.
Right, please do that. But you want to make sure you get this back in the same spot where you pulled it from.
Right, because then that Ansel that's pointing at that specific area may not hit that specific area
Yes.
because now we've moved it down.
Because we've moved it. And an inch or two really does matter when it comes to this. Size matters. Oh, we're gonna have to cut that one out. So the nice thing is that in addition to making sure that we're lined up in the Ansel system, I actually know there's a lot of cities that it's code for this.
Yes.
If you're gonna have castered equipment, it's code.
Think about a fryer. 350-degree oil. We don't want that being able to roll around
No.
because the caster lock broke or whatever.
Yes. So a lot of these even required is code. Very simple. They go to the general contractor. It's a floor installation. So once everything's done, I love this. I mean, this is one of my favorite pieces. It goes on all my castered equipment, whether it's code or not, because again, life safety.
Yep, absolutely. Very important thing.
All right, so it's not the sexy part, but y'all, this is one of the most important parts. And it's a solution that ESM is going to provide to all of your equipment. It's something that as a consultant, we're gonna think about on all of your equipment.
Absolutely, because safety matters.
Yes, it really, truly does. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local ESM rep or just leave a comment below. But Chef Tug, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kate.
All
Thank you,
right.
guys.